Edx M2 June 2010 question 1. On general motion, acceleration is a function of time. Here's the question. So here we have acceleration as given as 3t plus 5 in the positive x direction. So first of all, I'll just write a equals 3t plus 5. Now we look at it and we decide, since the acceleration is just a simple function of time, it'll be no problem to integrate if we write acceleration as dv by dt. So dv by dt is 3c plus 5, and we can go ahead and integrate that. Just to draw your attention, we've got information to get the plus c here. When t equals 0, v equals 2. We want to find capital T. When t is capital T, v equals 6. So only a 6-mark question, fairly straightforward one as well. Integrating dv by dt, we get v equals the integral of 3t plus 5 dt, 3 over 2t squared plus 5t plus c. So t equals 0, c equals 2, t equals 0, v equals 2, sorry, gives us c equals 2. So we've got an expression for v. Alright, that's the velocity at time t. Now all we've got to do is find when the v is 6. I'll carry on that on the next page. So here's v. Put v equals 6, and t is capital T, and we get 6 equals 3 over 2t squared. Let's rearrange that a bit and just tidy it up. It comes to 3t squared plus 10t minus 8 equals 0. And that factorizes. So the only positive value of t is 2/3. We'll ignore the negative value of t of minus 4. And that's it done. So the marks for that question, just going back to the first part. For this first part, there was an M1 mark for writing dv by dt is 3t plus 5 and attempting to integrate it, and an A1 and a B1 here. 3 marks out of 6 for the first part. And then finishing it off, putting 6 in for v and attempting to solve the quadratic, method mark for that. Oh, sorry, putting 6 in, there was a method mark. Then attempting to solve the quadratic, there was a method mark and an accuracy mark for the answer. So that makes up the 6 questions, the 6 marks for that question. Okay, thank you for listening.